Apple is making waves with a jaw-dropping $500 billion investment in the US. But that's not all. One of their boldest moves yet involves cutting-edge AI servers and a new factory in Texas. Stick around to hear how this could reshape the tech landscape. Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is February 24th, 2025, and we've got a packed episode for you. Apple has announced a monumental $500 billion investment in the United States over the next 4 years, creating 20,000 new jobs. This initiative includes a new advanced manufacturing facility in Houston, Texas, set to produce AI servers by 2026. The move comes as Apple navigates the challenges of tariffs on Chinese imports, following discussions between CEO Tim Cook and President Trump. This investment also includes a supplier academy in Michigan and expanded R&D efforts across the country. With this, Apple aims to strengthen its domestic operations, boost innovation, and reduce reliance on overseas manufacturing. The ripple effects of this investment are expected to significantly impact local economies and the tech industry as a whole. In a controversial decision, Apple has removed its advanced data protection feature, which provided end-to-end encryption for iCloud data from the UK. This follows a government order demanding a backdoor for accessing user data. While Apple has reiterated its commitment to privacy and refused to build such a backdoor, the removal of this feature has sparked concerns among privacy advocates. The UK's Investigatory Powers Act, which allows secret government orders, has raised questions about the balance between national security and user privacy. This decision highlights the ongoing tension between government regulations and corporate policies on data security, leaving many wondering how this will affect Apple's reputation in the region. Apple is officially stepping away from the budget smartphone market with the launch of the iPhone 16e, priced at $599. Alongside this, the company is introducing the M4 MacBook Air and integrating its own modem technology into devices by 2027. The iPhone 16e features Apple's first in-house cellular modem, the C1, which enhances connectivity and power efficiency. Built on advanced 4nm technology, the C1 modem marks a significant step in Apple's journey toward greater hardware independence. These moves underscore Apple's focus on premium products and innovation, solidifying its position as a leader in the tech industry. Musish, an unofficial open-source web app for Apple Music, is gaining traction among users and developers. Built with React and Apple's MusicKit.js, Musish offers a seamless interface for streaming music via the official Apple Music API. The project emphasizes user privacy, ensuring authentication is handled directly through Apple's servers. With over 3,100 stars on GitHub, Musish has cultivated a strong community of contributors. For those interested in self-hosting, the setup process is straightforward, making it an exciting option for tech-savvy music lovers. This project showcases the potential of open-source innovation in enhancing user experiences. Apple is set to open a manufacturing academy in Detroit, aimed at helping small and mid-sized businesses adopt advanced manufacturing techniques like AI and smart manufacturing. Partnering with Michigan State University, the Academy will offer free courses and consultations from Apple engineers. This initiative aligns with Apple's broader $500 billion US investment plan, which also includes a new Apple store in downtown Detroit. The Manufacturing Academy reflects Apple's commitment to workforce development and innovation, further cementing its role in shaping the future of American manufacturing. For those eager to test new apps, Apple's TestFlight platform offers a structured way to participate in beta testing. Users can join by accepting an invitation and installing the TestFlight app, which supports multiple Apple platforms. Beta apps can be tested for up to 90 days, with feedback sent directly to developers. TestFlight ensures user privacy while providing valuable insights for app improvement. Whether you're a developer or an enthusiastic user, TestFlight is a great way to engage with the app development process and contribute to innovation. That wraps up today's episode of the Apple Daily News. From groundbreaking investments to privacy debates and innovative tech, Apple continues to shape the future. Don't forget, links to all the stories we covered can be found in the episode notes. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.